Hello everyone, welcome. If you are new here, I am Tammy and this is Isaac's Rusty Wagon. Today I get to share the home of another one of my Instagram friends. Her name is Karen and you can find her on Instagram at Karen at Tiny Home Lane. And I will put that in the description, a link to her Instagram account, so be sure to check that out. And today I get to share Karen and Mike's tiny home with you. And she has done, or they have done, such a fabulous job with this. It is seriously one of the prettiest tiny homes I've ever seen. So they're gonna walk you through and show you around and tell you some things about it. And I think you're just really gonna enjoy this video. And if you do, please hit that like button for me and leave us a comment and let us know what was your favorite part of Karen and Mike's home. Thanks so much for watching.
My name is Mike Vaughn. I'm Karen Vaughn's husband, and we're giving you a video tour of our tiny home. We took a existing model from the builder and we customized it to our liking. You can see that instead of the gabled front roof, we did a high roof because we wanted the larger windows there in front of the house. And we had the higher columns. On one side of the house, you can see where we installed a ramp. The ramp goes to the back porch that we'll look at. We recently installed pavers to have a patio in front of our front porch. And then, of course, there is our front porch. And you can see that on leading up to the front porch are low riser stairs. Now we'll just walk up the ramp here and we'll get a look at the back porch. So you can see the ramp has a nice gentle incline, and while we're here you can see that we have a really nice view from our back porch. The back porch is screened in, and you can see that right now we're leaving it pretty open. We like it open, and we can just bring chairs out here as we desire. And of course we have a back door that leads into the house. So let's go back around to the front and take a look inside the house. One more view there from the back porch. Okay, so let's go take a look at the inside of the house, but on the way, let's get a good look here at the front porch. So we've been up the ramp, and now we're going to go up the low-riser stairs. And then let's just get a good look at the porch while we're here. Again, you can see the high ceiling, which we love, and there's a ceiling fan. Now, one thing I failed to show on the back porch is we do have a ceiling fan on the back porch as well. Obviously the stem of that ceiling fan had to be cut down since it is the lower hanging ceiling. It is a shed roof on the back porch. But on the front porch, you can see plenty of light, but not too much. And we're certainly enjoying it. Let's take a look at the door. So you can see that we've got the door there. And let's go inside the house now. Okay, so we are now inside the home, and I'm standing in the front entryway. You can see the fireplace that we really enjoy. The fireplace is an electric fireplace and with crystals, and the crystals and fire can turn various colors. Again, there's the fireplace. One thing I do want to show is a lot of natural light here. You can see the windows on one wall. We'll pan by the loft here. You can see the ceiling fan there, and then windows on the opposite wall, and then you have another row of smaller windows along that same wall. And then of course these are the big windows that led us to having the high ceiling there in the front porch, or on the front porch. So let's take a look at other aspects of the room. You can see again the shiplap, the stairs going to the loft. We'll look at the kitchen a little bit more in a bit. Again, here's the couch, the wall along the couch. And as we pan across the room, there's Karen. Say hello, Karen.
Hi.
Okay. And again, there's a good look at the inside of the front door. You'll notice that the flooring is all the sandalwood. That is all throughout the house, the sandalwood flooring. Let's move to the kitchen. You can see the kitchen cabinets and the sink. Get a good look at the sink there.
It's my favorite.
And yeah, it's Karen's favorite. And you can see we have for a tiny home, you know, all the kitchen cabinetry and drawer space that we need. You can see the full-size stove there. Okay. And before we leave the kitchen, I wanted to back up a little bit and show you that one way that we've added storage space is through these baker's racks. We have 2 of these, and you'll see the other one as we move down the hall. But they contribute a lot to the storage that we need for everyday items. But another innovative feature in the stairs is we also have storage in the stairs, as you can see, drawers in the stairs. Okay, so as we move along, looking at the kitchen here, we have a full-size microwave, full-size refrigerator. You can see that. And then again, there's the other baker's rack with all our everyday goods you would store in a pantry, etc. Here's the bathroom. Again, you can see the sink. And again, all the things you expect to find in a bathroom. And then there's the shower. Again, the sandalwood floors. And we have cabinet space and under the sink space there in the bathroom as well. As we move along, this area is actually designed for a wash and dryer, but what we decided to do was we found a laundry service about 8 miles up the road from us, and we turned this into a utility closet of sorts with a smaller baker's rack where we can store all the stuff that you typically would put in a utility closet. And again, that includes our trash can. So let's move into the back room here, and you can see that we have a lot of built-ins. This was a feature of the model home that we customized, and we certainly hung on to that feature knowing that we would appreciate the storage space. So this gives us a lot of storage space. Okay, and again, one thing that we love about this home is the natural light, and you can see the big windows there in this room. And again, the door that now we're looking out at the back porch from the back door, whereas before we were looking in. And again, ceiling fan in this room, full-size closet in this room. And one thing you may want to consider if you are deciding to go tiny is if it works for you, sleeping in the loft frees up a lot more living area, down below. And so that's what we decided to do. So we use this as an office. Okay, so we'll walk down the hall. We'll pan here real quick, and you can kind of see a view of the hall again. the kitchen. And that concludes the tour of Karen Vaughn and Mike Vaughn's tiny home. Karen, do you want to say goodbye?
Bye.
Okay. Thank y'all.
Wasn't that such a fun tour? Oh, Mike, you did a great job. Thank you so much. And thank you to both of you, to Karen and Mike, for allowing us this little look into their beautiful tiny home. And thank you to all of you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this tour, I ask that you please hit that like button and leave us a comment. And also, if you enjoy home tours and shopping tours and crafts and DIY, please hit that subscribe button and follow along, because I have a lot more planned out to bring you. Thanks so much.